In this video, I'm going to show you how to use LinkedIn Live Video to boost your engagement on the platform and forge stronger connections with your audience. LinkedIn Live is an exciting new feature to help you connect with your community in real time. As with all new features, getting in early is a brilliant way to get ahead of your competitors and stand out from the crowd. Knowing when and how to go live along with the best practices is essential. So stick around, as today we're going through exactly this. Hi, I'm John here at Spiel Creative. Before we get started, make sure you click the subscribe button and hit the bell so that you'll get notified every time we upload a new video to help you with your video marketing. So let's get started with the first question that might be on your mind. What exactly is LinkedIn Live? Well, LinkedIn Live launched native video content in 2017, and since then, video has taken off on the platform. According to LinkedIn, video is the fastest growing type of content on their platform, and LinkedIn Live is the latest addition to its expanding video capabilities. LinkedIn say that live video already attracts 24 times more comments and 7 times more interaction than standard text-based content, making it well worth getting started. So how do you get started on LinkedIn Live? At the time of recording this video, LinkedIn Live is in its testing phase, which means that not everyone has access to it yet. But you can fill out the application in the LinkedIn help section to request access. Once you're approved as a beta tester, LinkedIn at present requires that you must use an approved third-party broadcaster tool to go live from, either from your personal profile or your organization's page. So which third-party tool should you choose? Well, 3 popular options include Social Live, Switcher Studio, and Restream. Let's go through each one, starting with Restream. Restream is the most affordable choice with a free plan to start out on, or a base level company plan that starts at $83 per month. It has a lot of great features, but our favorite is its multi-source streaming, where you can stream on multiple platforms at the same time. And secondly, we have Switcher Studio. Switcher Studio starts out at $29 per month. Their basic plan gives you a lot of leeway for putting together great live stream content, including live editing, guest capability, and works not only with LinkedIn Live Video, but also YouTube and Facebook. And thirdly, we have Social Live. Social Live has the most expensive starting price at $179 per month. But if you're starting out on LinkedIn Live Video, you can get a special discount on the LinkedIn Live help page. Their plans allow for unlimited live guests, storage, and broadcasting. If you're going for an ambitious live streaming strategy, it might be your best bet. But if none of those tools work for you, LinkedIn has the full list of approved third-party broadcaster tools listed on their Getting Started page, which you can choose from. Once you've decided on a third-party tool, you'll then need to head to the LinkedIn Live help page to integrate it into your account, following their easy step-by-step guides. With the third-party tool integrated, you're ready to go live. But before you start streaming, I will go through 6 key tips that will help ensure that your LinkedIn Live goes smoothly, resonates with your audience, and improves as you go along. So let's get started. Tip 1, encourage interaction. LinkedIn Live is a great opportunity to connect and interact with your audience on a more personal level. So our first tip is to use LinkedIn Live Video for a type of event that encourages interaction. LinkedIn recommends going live with content such as fireside chats, Ask Me Anything videos, or influencer interviews. Using more personal in nature events can really help boost engagement and forge deeper connections between you and your viewers. Tip 2, share big news. LinkedIn Live Video can be a great way to connect with your audience for big news events. You can use it to celebrate things like anniversaries, new hires, awards, and even product launches with your audience. Tip 3, consider creating series-based content. Serial content is a great way to capture your audience and keep them coming back for more. Setting up a serial offer means that they know where and when they can catch the next video. Not only that, but serial content can help increase your productivity, as it allows for more scalable content production because you can use the same framework every time. When it comes to planning your content, one of the things you'll want to think about is how often you deliver. This is totally dependent on your needs and what works well with your audience. However, LinkedIn strongly advises that you limit your live content to a maximum of once per day. Tip 4, prepare for and promote your shoot. When choosing a time for your live stream, it's important that you look at the location of your base audience and plan your live stream for a time that's convenient for them. It's also important that you have enough content to stream for at least 15 minutes, as this is the minimum time frame LinkedIn recommends for a live stream. Another important step in the planning process is promoting your live stream. While LinkedIn notifies a subset of your followers, that is the ones that are regularly active on LinkedIn and engage the most with your content, you'll still want to promote your live stream to cast a wider net. Share the date and time of your live stream on your other marketing channels so people can plan to be there. LinkedIn also recommends that you use the LinkedIn Live hashtag to promote your event and expand your audience. Finally, make sure you test that your internet connection is at least 10 Mbps. You can do this by visiting speedtest.net. Tip 5, moderate your stream. That's right, it's not just a case of pressing record and simply go. You will also want to moderate the stream. This is best done by another person in the room who isn't a host and also has page admin access so that they can interact with your audience as the page. Great moderators are good at handling viewer questions and comments and can quickly relay the best ones to the stream's host. Tip 6, test and optimize your content. LinkedIn Live also provides in-depth analytics that you can use to see how your stream is performing. Your analytics can help identify things to test and change in your LinkedIn Live events. For example, if you see a large drop in engagement towards the end of your stream, it might be an idea to try a shorter stream time. Or if you're not seeing as many people join your live stream as you think there should be compared to your reach, try tweaking your intro text and marketing copy. So that about wraps it up, folks. I hope that you found this video to be useful and learned something new. If so, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such content. And as always, if you need any further help with your video marketing, you can always get in touch with us here at Spiel Creative by visiting www.spielcreative.com. Thanks for watching.